Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do Goofy. I have promised someone to do mandala art, but none of my markers, none of my sketch pens are working that well. So for mandala we need a good sketch pen. As soon as I buy, I'll do the mandala art again. But first let's start Goofy. Now to start with Goofy, what we are going to do is, see, you have to take 2 points and then write सोतावा C 3 C बोल दिया मैंने 3 सोतावा 3 लिख के वो 3 का जो डंडा है उसको नीचे लाने का और नीचे लाने का. ये 3 लिखा और उसके डंडे को नीचे लेकर आने का. डंडे को नीचे लाने के बाद what you are supposed to do is draw a अंडा. Okay, you draw a anda. Now this is a cartoon or a caricature of Goofy, children, like how we did Pluto. After that you will make one anda here with a small naragandu, and then again you'll make, oh my Goofy is doing oh ऐसे वाला Goofy बना रहे हैं. Then we'll make one undo and one more undo, and we'll write V in it and V in it. अभी इसके बाद हमको क्या करना है, इधर से, ठीक है, उसके जो चीक्स है ना, उधर से उसको ऐसा ऐसा गोल घुमा के 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 टोपी बनानी है. अभी ये बंदर दिख रहा है ना, यस, अभी ये बंदर दिख रहा है. थोड़ी देर बाद ये Goofy दिखने लग जाएगा. अभी इधर से एक टिंगू ऊपर और इधर से एक टिंगू ऊपर, एंड देन वी क्लोज इट. उसके बाद एक टिंगू वापस ऊपर, एक टिंगू वापस ऊपर, देन वी क्लोज इट. उसके बाद फ्रॉम हियर यू मेक अ आचू एंड फ्रॉम हियर यू मेक अ पाचू. ओके, फ्रॉम हियर यू मेक अ आचू. दिस इज हिज टॉपा. उसके बाद उसके शेंडे. ओके, तो उसकी 3 शेंडी होती है. एकदम सेंटर से लेते अपन 3 शेंडी. 1 शेंडी, 2 शेंडी, 3 शेंडी. ओके, उसके बाद typical ears of Goofy, which starts from here. So his ears go down, dhinchak, take a turn and come up. His ears go down, dhinchak, take a turn and come up. Okay, so his ears are done. Abhi, what you are supposed to draw is 2 standing lines just below his mouth. Again 2 standing lines, थोड़ा सा स्टाइल में, from this part. Then you are supposed to close it, you are supposed to close it, and you are supposed to close it here too. उसके बाद हम इधर से बनाएंगे उल्टा V. Remember children, this is just a caricature of Goofy. He is not actual Goofy. This is the way we want to, I want my children to draw it like that and learn the simple step of making Goofy. So you go down, you take, oi ज़्यादा हो गया. From here you go up and you take a turn and come here. अब ये जो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया उसको हम लोग रब कर देते. ओके, सो हिज पैंट, और इसके हाथ कहाँ चले गए, फटाक से हम उसके हाथ बना देंगे. 2 slanting lines from here and 2 slanting lines from here. Now you have to write a C. Then this C का नीचे का टेल थोड़ा बड़ा होएगा. उसके बाद इधर एक टिंगू बनाएंगे, फिर एक छोटा सा, फिर टिंगू टिंगू टिंगू. अभी इधर भी ऐसे, अभी उल्टा. इधर सी बनाएंगे जिसका पूंछ होगा लंबा, फिर एक टिंगू बनाएंगे. ओके, ये टिंगू के अंदर उसके कान जाता है तो हम कान को थोड़ा सा ऊपर ले लेते हैं. ये इधर एक टिंगू बनाएंगे, फिर इधर से टिंगू टिंगू टिंगा. ओके, So his hands are also done. Now this is a caricature of Goofy children, and it is a simple caricature. Now you can take your marker. I am taking a marker. Why? Because I will be doing a little bit of painting. देखा मेरा मार्कर भी नहीं चल रहा, तो मैं मंडला आर्ट कुठून करणार रे बाळा. छी, not working nicely. I don't know whether this will work or no. Not bad, but not good as well. हम लोग बाद में कर लेंगे, ठीक है. वैसे भी हम लोग बाद में ब्लैक पेन यूज़ करते ही है ना, सॉरी ब्लैक चारकोल पेंसिल यूज़ करते ही है ना, तो हम लोग बाद में कर लेंगे. ओके, आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट सो दैट यू कैन सी इट लिटिल मोर क्लियरली, because I was just testing my videos in some like Apple phones and all. My videos are really very clear, but in one phone the video was not at all clear, so I doubt whether everybody is able to see or not. गले में है खराश, नहीं है बंद नाक, इसलिए हम हाउस वेपर अप नहीं लेंगे फॉरेन. टैन 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 टैन, है ना. मैं क्यों लूँ हॉल्स वेपर अप या विक्स वेपर अप? मेरे को सिर्फ गले में खराश है, मतलब दिवाली में सबके हो जाती है. My pens are not writing, children. I'll have to go to one shop and get those all pens. In fact, my pens, sketch pens, सगळं काही आता समाप्त होणार आहे. So I will have to work hard with little colors. Can you imagine how many drawings Tanu teacher must be doing per day? Leaving my videos I try to do one every day. Pata nahi. So this is the complete Goofy children. My marker is not writing that well, so what I'm going to do is later on I'm going to use this charcoal pencil to do the bordering again. So let us start with simple colors, है ना. Let us start with the coloring part. Now to start with the coloring part, what we will do is take orange first, and Goofy was always seen mostly in this orange dress. We will do no shading because this peculiar video is for my Chinu Minus, and I want all my Chinu Minus to opt for it and load this video on Canvas and Scissors group on Facebook. So I am not doing any shading. In Pooh we did shading, even for the cartoon image we did shading, but here we are not going to do any shading. Okay, so we have done orange color. His jackets were usually black, gloves are supposed to be white, his pant is supposed to be brown. So a simple brown color which all my Chinu Minus, not brown, blue. Lord, mistake झाली ना माझी. जूता है brown. ओ हो. बात करते करते सब गड़बड़ हो जाती है ना कभी कभी. This is the standard uniform of Goofy. So his pants are blue. No shading, absolutely no shading. Children, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you're not new to the channel, you'll know you'll have to join Canvas and Scissors group or Facebook group and upload all your arts made there. After that, we have a monthly contest. We have a panel of juries who decide which child has done the best. Okay, and then we have our e-certificates dispatched. Okay, now his shoes are brown. Shoes are brown. Brownie brown. Shoes are brown. Brownie brown. My Goofy is getting ready हम लोग है ना इसका जो बैकग्राउंड है ना वो कलरफुल ही करेंगे. मेरे को कलरफुल बैकग्राउंड बहुत अच्छा लगता है. एक्चुअली आई लाइक टू डू ऑल ड्राइंग्स विच आर वेरी 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 कलरफुल. Small children who do not have watercolors or who do not want to, they can divide the page like that, half grass half sky, for my nanna munna's kiddos. And the others who are opting for it can of course go in for watercolors. So it's your choice after all, but I'm just advising. Okay, I'm just advising. Now this part is going to be skin color, so I'm using my skin color. Slowly I was doing Goofy Bachcha ka painting. I know Goofy was a very famous character during our times, but now there are so many cartoons, so they have become a little less famous ones, but still they are famous. Okay, now we can use our light green color for his topa. Can I make my book inverted? I can. So we are using the light green color for his topa. This is supposed to be black, and this is also supposed to be green. These are peculiar colors, peculiar ones of Goofy. Okay, we have done this. Now what we are going to do, the jacket is black, this is black, this is black, this is black. Okay, so we are left with our black part. Yes, we have finished rest, so let's start doing black. I hope this black is nice. अभी हम लोग ऊपर से स्टार्ट करेंगे. सी व्हेनेवर यू आर यूजिंग योर ब्लैक कलर्स चिल्ड्रन, डोंट मेक दिस एंड देन गो अप, नहीं तो ये सारा ब्लैक कलर इधर छप के पूरी ड्राइंग खाली हो जाएगी. सो व्हेनेवर यू आर यूजिंग ब्लैक, सी द पार्ट्स विच आर अप, इट इज सॉफ्ट, which is up has to be colored first. Okay, then you go in for this part because this part is also black. Try to keep your hand in hawa. Hawa hawa re hawa खुशबू लुटाते कहाँ खोई सुल्फ पताते अब उसका बताते जरा मुझ. First slowly you do at the borders and then simply you fill the colors inside, because once your borders are clear with no khar, everything will start looking nice. So our tiny Goofy is getting ready. So his gloves are white, children. So when you use black color, you have to be very careful. See, these छोटे shandies which come na, they make a big problem. So no khar in your drawings. Black is a danger color, but this is the only color which gives beauty to your drawings. So you should always learn to be friendly with black, so that black does not do any gadbad in your drawing. Now see the eye part. Now see my hands and all are clean, but still whenever you're doing these parts, you need to be extra careful, because this was not writing well. Marker. So the khar. Now the nosy. Please do the borders. Leave a shiny part here, and then you do the. Now this part is red, children, which I'm going to do it right away. बिकॉज उसके मुंह के अंदर पान खाए सहिया हमर. His jacket is black. So first you do the borders and then you fill the jacket with the black color. Din chicka din. Today a small video for my kiddos. Tomorrow will be the difficult one. I will do mandala only after I get my colors. I've already ordered for them. Let them come and then I will do it. Do it. Okay? Children, whenever you buy your colors, see to that your manufacturing date should be within 1 year. Don't buy very old colors because they catch moisture. अभी तुम लोग बोलोगे यार टीचर खाने पीने का सामान तो एक्सपायरी देख के खरीदते हैं, ये भी क्या एक्सपायरी देख के खरीदने का? Yes, see the expiry before you buy the product. Very essential to see that. Because if they are very old colors, like this year is 2020 है ना, अगर तुम लोग ने 2018 के कलर्स लिए होंगे, you will yourself understand that they are working so bhongas because moisture gets caught in it. Sometimes some colors are saved because of their packing. Now these colors will have no expiry date, correct? So you have to decide the expiry date of the colors. Try to buy the ones which are latest. मतलब 2020 का जनवरी स्टार्ट हुआ है तो तुम लोग ये नहीं बोल सकते अरे मेरे को तो 2020 का ही जनवरी वाला जनवरी है तो 2020 का ही चाहिए. नहीं, then that will be wrong. But try and buy colors. अगर अभी दिसंबर है तो हम लोग जनवरी का भी ले सकते हैं 2020 का. समझ गई? नहीं समझे? समझ जाओगे. तो हमारा गुफी हो गया है रेडी. अभी हम इसके इर्द गिर्द कलरफुल पेंटिंग करेंगे. सो कलरफुल पेंटिंग करने के लिए पहला कलर हम कौन सा लेंगे? तुम लोग को सबको पता हो गया अभी, है ना? एक्चुअली मेरे ना ये भी कलर्स ख़त्म हो रहे हैं, सो आई विल गो एंड गेट दीज वंस ऑल्सो. I had gone to Vasai and I made my niece buy these colors because they had the student watercolors. Whenever you buy, please buy artistic watercolors. They give a very different look, children. Buy artistic. You all are artist. किसने बोला तुम लोग स्टूडेंट और साला बुद्धू बनाते हैं स्टूडेंट वाटर कलर करके, है ना? You all are big artists, the no auntie के artist. So please buy good artistic watercolors. So this is my dark color. After that, which color? Which color should I take? Let me wash my brush well. So I'm taking a little darker shade of blue. जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रुसाई. I'm taking a little darker shade of green here, but I'm not going to finish it off with green. I'm going to take one more shade. Actually my yellow is over, so I'll take buff instead of yellow. Okay, this is not yellow, this is buff color, which is giving a very different shade here. Oh, my goofy is getting ready. Ready hokar aana. Dun 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 dun. La 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 la. इधर चला मैं उधर चला और फिसल गया. ये तूने क्या किया? Now you all must be very much familiar with these colors, correct? Tanu auntie keeps on using these colors, so you all are aware of the colors. इधर चली मैं उधर चली, जाने कहाँ मैं किधर चली और फिसल गई, ये तूने क्या किया, ये तेरे संग हो चली, ला 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 ला। मजा आती है पता पेंटिंग करने में। Even if you're 5 years old or if you're 6 years old, you're 7 years old, सबकी मम्मी बोलती है, कभी कभी मेरे को फ़ोन आता है, अरे ये लोग बहुत छोटे हैं, इनको क्या मेरे को पेंट दिलाने चाहिए। येस, प्लीज़ बाय पेंट्स फॉर योर children. There is nothing which children cannot do. Children can do everything on earth, so never degrade your children. Children are a teacher of man. I learned so many things from children. So our Goofy is almost ready now. All these parts will dry, and after it dries, I'll see if I have to polish any part, and then I will post it on YouTube, and you have to make it and post it on the Facebook group Canvas and Scissors. एक्चुअली ये मैंने हम लोग ने बहुत कार्टून्स किया, अभी भी मेरे मन में एक कार्टून ही है बनाने का, बट आई विल सी इफ आई गेट माई set of pens, I will do mandala and then I will do the cartoon which is in my mind, and I have to make a cute girl also, which I'm going to do it immediately. If I don't get my colors tomorrow, I'm going to do the cute girl drawing. So bye till then, enjoy and do post it on Canvas and Scissors. I would love to see the children कैसा किया वो देखने के लिए. Okay, so bye bye.